Hi guys, welcome to Art with Praveen. Today in this video we are going to see how to make a hologram. So let's get into the video. Please subscribe our channel and give like button. So first let's see what are the materials we need for this. The materials required are 2 OHP sheet, transparent tape, scissors, paper and a scale. First take a paper. Whatever you need, you can take a paper. Just mark. First mark one side as 8 centimeters or 6 centimeters. Another side 6 centimeter or 8 centimeter. Make it as a triangle shape and cut it off. Then cut the paper like this and take your OHP sheet and keep one corner and cut the OHP sheet into that triangle shape which I have cut before. You just cut it off with the sharp scissor and then cut like me. How I do that? You cut it off. Watch the video carefully till the end. You cut like this and make 4 pieces like this shape. And then take 2 from the OHP sheet, 2 pieces, cut a cello tape into a small piece and paste it in the one corner. How I do, you do it. Watch the video carefully to make the hologram proper. And then cut the remaining edges of the cello tape. Do the same for next 2 and then cut a cello tape into a small piece and then take the 2 pieces which you have pasted and keep as one side and paste it one side. Do how I do. Watch the video carefully to make the hologram properly. Now paste it into the corners and cut the edges or tape the edges. Now you can see the shape of the hologram. Now it is in the shape which we need to tape that another corner. You fold it into a 2 piece and then cut a tape, then paste it into that corner. And then our hologram is ready. Our hologram is ready. Let's test it, our hologram. If you like this hologram, please subscribe our channel and press the like button. Let's see how the hologram works. Wow, our hologram works very nice. Then if you like the video, press the like button and share to your 2 friends or 3 friends. If you like our channel, please subscribe our channel. And Praveen signing off.
Wait. Don't go out of the video. Let's see the science between how the hologram works. Laser light is much purer than the ordinary light in a flashlight, torch, beam. In a flashlight beam, all the light waves are random and jumbled up. Light in a flashlight beam runs along any old how, like schoolchildren racing down a corridor when the bell goes for home time. But in a laser, the light waves are coherent, they all travel precisely in step, like soldiers marching on parade. When a laser beam is split up to make a hologram,